There was a time when people would casually browse through social media to skip boredom or just to be entertained. But today that has changed and social media is the language of many. Today people are using social media to not just be connected with one another, but they're also using social media to make money and to get information. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why you should build an online presence and how you can use social media to make money. Guys, stay tuned as we go through this video, as there are going to be a lot of great insights about social media and how you can be benefited from it. But before we go ahead, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to IIM Skills. Social media, if intelligently used, can bring in a lot of success. Since these forms are a great way to build a direct connection with your target audiences, you can pitch to them easily, and these platforms, if used wisely, can really make your life better. Now let me tell you how it would make your life better. Take for example businesses. A few years ago, before the internet revolutionized our lives, running a business was such a hassled affair. It was also very expensive. But today, even small businesses are able to make good money by having a very strong social media presence. Even influencers, they're common people like you and me, but they have managed to use social media to their benefit, they are wise about it, and today they are making good money as well. Guys, you can also look for jobs on LinkedIn and other sites on the internet, and that's going to make your job search quite easy. Social media is great at community building. In our day-to-day lives, we may be surrounded by people who not necessarily are on the same page as we are. A difference of opinion may bound to happen. But when you take your ideas on social media, and if your ideas click with certain people, then you would have an audience that follows you, they want to connect with you, they want to engage with you, and they would be more than happy to hear your ideas. I have a friend of mine who has built a very successful community-based business. She simply documents the simple yet great achievements of common people, and she has an audience out there that is waiting to hear stories from her. And that's the way she makes great money. Social media helps you get popular, especially if you're a content creator or you're working in the digital space. The ability to attract popularity is what matters the most. So guys, you should really look forward to start investing more time in social media, and you can do that by answering questions regularly or by posting regularly, and by doing so you will definitely build a strong presence online. Surely it's going to take you a lot of time and effort now, but the hefty returns that you will receive at the end of the day makes it totally worth it. You know guys, before I tell you my next point, let me tell you that earlier it was just film stars and cricketers or famous personalities who would endorse and advertise brands. But today, because of the magic of social media, even a common man is able to do the same. So if you are good at what you do, then you're going to have brands that are going to reach out to you and they would want to collaborate with you. Well, for that, you need to have a strong online presence and you need to be good at what you do. And that is when you will have these brands that would want to pay you a lot of money so that you advertise their products. Now guys, before I go to my next point, let me tell you something very quickly. Traditional marketing campaigns, that is the marketing campaigns that were carried out years together, had a very typical format. They would either run ads on TV, on the radio, or they would hand out pamphlets that to either people on the road or the ones that were there in the newspaper. Alright, it's done even today, but it's not done in such a larger scale. And once this marketing campaign was carried out, there was a waiting period to see if the sales were impacted. In today's day and age, marketing is so simple and cost effective. You can almost immediately and inexpensively find out if your marketing efforts are doing well. There are a number of tools available online that help you conduct this analysis. So for example, if you have a professional account on Instagram, you can take a look at which post got the most likes, shares and reaches. So guys, this was all about the relevance of social media and how you could benefit from it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please go ahead, like, share and subscribe to IIM Skills.